Hey everyone, welcome back to Topic to Topic. Today, we're going to explain how Splunk works, but in a fun and simple way. Have you ever tried finding a specific book in a giant library?
Oh yeah, it can be a nightmare without a good system. So, are you saying Splunk is like a library?
Exactly. Let's break it down. Imagine you're the manager of a huge library, and instead of books, you're storing log files from servers, apps, firewalls, and more.
Okay, so the log files are like books coming from different places?
Bingo! And just like trucks deliver books to the library, Splunk uses something called a forwarder. Think of it as a delivery truck that picks up data from all your systems and brings it to the main Splunk server.
Got it. So, the forwarder is the truck that collects and delivers data. What happens when it gets to the library?
That's where the indexer comes in. Think of the indexer like a super organized librarian. It parses the data, puts it in the right place, and makes it easy to search later.
So it's like tagging and shelving the books properly. Nice. How do we find what we need?
That's the job of the search head. It's like the library's search desk. You go there and say, "Hey, show me all the books about security breaches from last night." And boom, it fetches the right data.
Very cool. And what about visual stuff? Like charts or graphs?
That's where dashboards come in. Just like a display wall showing top borrowed books, Splunk dashboards show stuff like most common errors, top IP addresses, and login failure trends.
Now that's easy to understand. So in short, forwarder equals delivery truck, indexer equals librarian, search head equals research desk, and dashboard equals info board.
Exactly. Splunk turns chaos into clarity, just like a smart library system.
Awesome. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your Splunk questions below. See you in the next episode.
See you in the next episode.